Hello everyone, welcome to my 10th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In previous tutorial, we will discuss about how to applying the material. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to applying glass material. By clicking on glass, clicking on material option, material editor, in this we have to click the glass material. Then in new option we have two options of glass. First is glass and second is glass advance. In glass option you have to use a reflectivity of this glass, change the reflectivity, change the transparency, then change the texture influence, glossiness and brightness. Here is also option of copy material, paste material, save to material custom, load material and save material. You can also change the color by clicking on this. In RGB there are different types of shades of color in available, and then rail option you have shades of color by their name. You just clicking on their name and here are the color shades of available. You should simply select and applying the color on it. Then I go back. Here it is various options of material library. Billboard, color, glass, glass advance, invisible, landscape, light map, standards, water, waterfall, etc. We have also change in outdoor option. In outdoor option, simply click on glass material. Here it should see. Here are various glass options on library. You should identify by their names of color. Just click on it. Then click on you should color how you see. Click on it, it changes. Then you click on right button. Remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.